This easy craft is perfect for the holidays. We're starting off with some bath salts in our large vase. Next, I'm grabbing a paper towel roll. You might need to cut yours, and we're placing that right into our bath salts. Next, I'm coming in with some mini ornaments, and we are just going to pour those around our paper towel roll, making sure to cover the hole so none of the ornaments go in the center. I used an ornament garland from the dollar section at Target. Next, you're gonna go ahead and grab some greenery. You can get these at Michael's, Dollar Tree, and you're just gonna wanna add a variety of sizes and shapes, all festive and to the holiday. Look how cute this is coming together. This will be perfect on your Christmas table. Once you have all your greenery in there, you have the most beautiful and easiest Christmas decoration. I hope you guys all try it out and have a happy holidays. This holiday decoration is easy to make and it's beautiful. We're starting off with some water beads in our vase. I'm next adding in some acrylic candies. Now I'm gonna bring in some red pearls and some white pearls. You can get the candies and the pearls from Amazon. I'm gonna keep filling up my vase with our water beads and our different acrylic candies. I have 3 vases here that I'm gonna fill up the same way. Next, we're gonna pour our water so that we can see our floating candy canes and peppermints in our vases. How fun is that? Go ahead and fill all your vases with water, and the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some floating candles. You can find these at the Dollar Tree. Light your candles and you have the most gorgeous centerpieces for the holidays. These are so fun and so gorgeous. I love doing these every year for Christmas. Happy holidays! This easy holiday decoration is perfect for Christmas. We're starting off by stuffing our stocking with 2 pool noodle pieces. Next, I'm going to bring in some greenery that I just picked up at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to put about 4 to 5 pieces of that greenery right into our stocking. It holds up nicely with those pool noodles. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of color with these fake holly pieces. You can find these also at the Dollar Tree. This is a super affordable DIY craft. Next, I'm going to come in with this cute little snowflake bell charm. It's supposed to be for your door handle, but I just took off the handle part and I tied it onto my stocking. Lastly, we're going to grab some wired ribbon and we're going to curl that and tie it right next to our bells so that we have the most beautiful and the easiest Christmas decoration. Enjoy, you guys. This one was so fun and my guests have already saying how much they love it. Grab a little Christmas tree, really get them in there. Look how cute. Okay. Another little one right next to it. We have these cute little wooden houses that will just snuggle right in there. Isn't that adorable?
So cute.
One more little house. And then another little Christmas tree. Super easy, so cute. They're gonna go right into the cookie jar with all those beautiful decorations. Okay. Whoop. It's okay, we can always adjust everything.
So you're just putting lights
all around. It's gonna make it look like little snowflakes. You ready for this?
I'm so ready. Aww.
And you can just tuck that battery pack into the snow. Perfect. Put the lid on the jar. One last step. Grab some Christmas ribbon. Just to make it extra beautiful and festive.
Might make a little bow.
Little bow on our beautiful Christmas decoration.